blue, red. So now, okay,
Yellow.
okay, Mishti, now listen, Mishti, let me speak now. Green, yellow, blue and red. So what will you write for this? क्या लिखेंगे आप? G, Y, D, R. Yes or no? Mishti, can you please hear me? Mishti?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, so what क्या लिखोगी आप? कलर के लिए कौन सा कोड दिया हुआ है? थर्ड रो में ग्रीन कलर है, देन येलो कलर है, देन ब्लू कलर है, देन रेड कलर. So what will you write for this? What color code will you write for this? What is the color code for green color?
G.
Then what is the color code for yellow color?
Y.
Then what is the color code for blue color? Huh?
B. B.
Then what is the color code for R? Then what is the color code for R color? Oh, sorry, red color. हाँ? तो क्या बन गया? G. तो अब what will you write in the blank? Tell me. G, Y, D, R. In the third blank, what are you going to write?
G. B. R.
Now you understood how we are doing this. There is one table that is known as grid. Now please mute yourself and listen first of all. There is one table. It is also known as grid. Different colors are given, and for each color, color code is given. Like for red, the color code is R. For blue color, the color code is B. Similarly, for yellow color, the color code is Y. And for green color, the color code is G. So हमने फर्स्ट रो देखी. रो गोज लाइक दिस, हॉरिजॉन्टल. हमने पहला रो देखा. क्या है पहले रो में? ब्लू कलर, रेड, देन ग्रीन, देन येलो, देन इट इज रिपीटिंग. ब्लू, रेड, ग्रीन, येलो, ब्लू, रेड, ग्रीन, येलो. तो पहले ब्लैंक में हम क्या लिखेंगे? ब्लू के लिए बी, रेड के लिए वील राइट आर, फॉर ग्रीन वी विल राइट जी, एंड फॉर येलो वील राइट वाई. So in the first blank, my answer will be B, R, G, Y. Then coming to the second row, second horizontal row, yellow, blue, green, yellow, blue, red, green, yellow, blue, red, green, yellow, blue, red, green. So iske liye what will I write? Y, B, R, and G. Then coming to the third row, green, yellow, blue, red, green, yellow, blue, red, and then green, yellow, blue, red. So I'll write G, Y, B, R. Now coming to the last row. Okay. Let Ansh answer. Ansh, open the. Come to the last row.
Yes, ma'am.
Ansh, हाँ, चलो. Which is the first color? Quickly tell.
Something.
It is not pink. Where is pink given in your book? क्या दिया है बुक में? पिंक कहाँ दिया है?
Ma'am, square, oval, circle, square, oval, circle, square, oval.
अरे बेटा, we are doing question number 1. Good morning, Ansh. Where are you sleeping? We are doing question number 1, last row, page number 114. Where are you sleeping? What are you doing in the class? I have sent the message in the group also. Can't you see? What chapter we are doing, which page number we are on. You don't want it in the class, and don't do this. Don't come to the class. Page, page number 114, chapter number 7, question number 1. Come to the last row. We are doing this color combination mid question. Can you see the question now? Come to the last row.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the first block color? What is the color in the first block?
Ma'am, red.
Then after that,
Green.
then
Yellow.
then then after yellow, after yellow, blue. Then again the arrangement is repeating. Then again red, green, yellow, blue, red, green, yellow, blue. Now in this, what we are doing is we are writing color code for every color. Like for red, the color code is R. It is given in the book if you see. Like for blue, the color code is blue. For yellow, it is Y, and for green, it is G. So red, green, yellow, blue. What will be the color code that you write? For red, you will write R. Green के लिए G, yellow के लिए Y, blue के लिए B. So R, G, Y, B. Write in the column, write in the blank that is given. जो blank दिया है उसमें हमें colors को पढ़ के what we are doing is we are studying the pattern, we are studying the grid. हम color combination को पढ़ रहे हैं and then we are writing the answer for that. What we are seeing from the color combination. Like for red, I have to write R. For green, I have to write G. For yellow, I have to write Y. I am studying, I am looking at the pattern and I am writing the answer. So my answer for the last row will be R, G, Y, and B. Now, children, when we study what are patterns? Pattern is a kind of an arrangement of numbers or maybe shape. किसी भी चीज के arrangement को किस तरह वो arrange है, the way it is arranged. We study that arrangement and we answer the question that comes. स्टडी किया हमने पहले अरेंजमेंट, उसके बाद आगे डैश होता है वो हमें खुद फिल करना होता है. लाइक you must be remembering in chapter number 1, that is numbers. We have done such kind of questions. Complete the series like 2, 4, 6, 8. Then what will come, Mohak? Mohak, what will come after that? 2, 4, 6, 8. Then
Ma'am, 10.
then after 10,
Ma'am, 12.
then 14. So Mohak, what has Mohak done? He has studied the pattern 2, 4, 6, 8. Then he understood. Usne series padhi. He understood the pattern and then he said, okay, after 8, 10 will come. After 10, 12 will come. After 12, 14 will come. Because he understood, I am writing the even numbers. I'm leaving one number and I'm writing the number. I didn't told him to answer. He himself understood the pattern and he answered. We have done such questions in chapter number 1, numbers. That was also patterns. We were studying the pattern of numbers and we were writing the coming numbers. Like one more we will do. 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, after 40, Ane, what will come?
After 40, ma'am, 80.
80, very good. 10, 20, 30, 40 और फिर सीधा 80. Very good. Listen what I'm saying. Listen. दिमाग क्लास में रखोगे, you will understand everything. 10, 20, 30, 40. After 40, what will come?
No, after 40.
Yes.
Ma'am, 50.
Then after 50,
I'm 60.
Then,
70.
very good. Now, what he has done is, I didn't told him what to do. He understood the pattern. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. He knew we are leaving 10, 10 numbers and we are writing. We are writing the table of 10. We are leaving the numbers and writing. I didn't told him what to do. He understood the pattern and he did it himself. This is known as studying the pattern. Now, patterns does not only deal with numbers, it can be kind of shapes also. Like one circle, then square, then circle, then square, then circle, then after circle, what will come, Yash?
I'm square.
Then after square,
I'm circle.
Circle.
then
I'm square.
now what he did is he read the pattern, इसने pattern पढ़ा, he read the pattern and he understood what we are doing. We are following the pattern, circle, square, circle, square, circle, square, then circle, square and so on. Now, patterns can be of numbers, shapes, letters like I will give you one example of letters also. Okay. A, then C, then E, then G. A, C, E, and then G. Then after G, what will come, Swastik? Swastik, are you there? Okay, I'm writing it in this chat box. A, comma, C, comma, E, okay. You all can see it in the chat box. I have sent you one pattern. A, comma, C, comma, E, comma, G. Okay. Rajveer, what will come after G? Re- Read the pattern carefully.
Why?
Y आ जाएगा.
No. I'm tell.
Let him answer. Rajveer, please read the pattern. Pattern समझो. What is the pattern saying? A, comma, C, comma, E.
I'm T. I'm
बेटा
A.
पढ़ो. A, comma, C. देखो मैम ने कैसे लिखा है, कुछ छोड़ा है, कुछ लिखा है, किस बेसिस पे छोड़ा है, पढ़ो. ए के बाद बी चला गया, सी है, सी के बाद डी चला गया, ई है, एफ चला गया, जी है, देन
I'm I.
आई. देन आफ्टर आई व्हाट विल कम?
I'm K.
देन आफ्टर के
I'm O.
आफ्टर के आफ्टर के
I'm M.
M. Now, what I did is, I have not told him what to do. He himself understood the pattern. He understood the pattern that I'm leaving one alphabet and I'm writing the other alphabet. A, then I have not written B, then I have written C. I have left one alphabet and I have written. He understood the pattern and he wrote the next three himself. Now you understood what are patterns. Pattern is a particular kind of arrangement that we see, observe, and fill. It can be simple. The pattern can be increasing also, like this, like the number one that we did, 2, 4, 6, 8. Pattern increase हो रहा था. The numbers were increasing. So patterns can be increasing. It can be decreasing, and it can be same also. Like shape circle, shape circle, shape circle. It can be that way. In shape circle, nothing is increasing. It is going smoothly. Letters or alphabets. It can be arrangement, can be anything. You will do questions, you will understand. Come to question number 2 in your book, page number 140. Now, color the grid following the color code given below. Now, in this question, there is color code given to you. You have to color this grid. Like, Rajbir, please mute yourself. Like, okay, Sanjeevni.
Yes, ma'am.
In question number 2, what is the color code given in the first row?
Ma'am, yellow, green, red, and blue.
So, in the first block, in the first column, what color will you fill?
Ma'am, yellow.
Then,
Ma'am, green.
in the third block,
Ma'am, red.
in the fourth block,
Ma'am, blue.
then in the fifth block,
Ma'am, yellow.
then,
Ma'am, green.
then,
Ma'am, red.
then.
Blue.
Okay. So that means you will follow the pattern. You have understood the color code and you will follow this pattern in filling the colors. You can do this in your homework. Just now don't fill it. It will waste the time. Coming to the second row. Okay. Saransh.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the color combination given in the second row?
GRBY.
So what does G stand for?
Green, red, blue, yellow.
So which color will you fill in the first block?
Ma'am, green.
Then after that, which color?
Ma'am, red.
Then,
Ma'am, blue.
then,
Ma'am, yellow.
then after that,
Green.
then,
Red.
then,
Blue.
then.
Yellow.
Ane Tomar, if I would have been there, I would have given you a tight slap the way you are behaving. If you don't know how to sit in the class, please just leave and go from here. But don't disturb or distract others. And this was my last warning to you. If I see you doing this next time, I'm going to send this recording to principal ma'am and then she is going to take the action. Don't you dare do that again. So, in these questions, you are reading the color code, you are reading the color combinations, and you are filling in the blocks accordingly. Similarly, you will do the third row and the fourth row. Okay? This question number 2 will be your homework for the day. You can do this back at home. You understood how to fill, you have to read the color combination and you have to follow, keep filling it in the pattern. Now coming to question number 3. Now this is the question of shapes. You have to read the pattern of shapes and you have to tell which shape will come next. Like in question number A, read it carefully. Square, square, then there is oval, then again oval, then square, then oval, then oval, then oval. Okay. Fine. Coming to Suryansh. Okay, Suryansh, read this question number A.
Square, oval, oval, square, oval, oval, square, oval.
Then what will come now?
Ma'am, oval.
What will come now?
Oval.
Bolo. Oval. Why? Because after one square there are two ovals, then one square, then two ovals. See, square, then two ovals, then square, then two oval, then square, then one oval is given. So you will fill next. There will be one oval, one square, two oval. The pattern is going like this: one square, two oval, one square, two oval, one square, two oval. So in the last one, there's one square and one oval. So the next shape will be of an oval. Okay. Coming to the B one. Uh, Abul, can you answer? Is there, your problem is fixed now? Can you answer the question? There was some problem with your phone, no? Okay, let it be. We'll talk to you tomorrow now. Vanchita, you can do this B question. Vanchita, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell us the B question. Please read the B question for us.
Ma'am, there's. Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बोलो बेटा, read the question.
Ma'am, sun.
हाँ
Ma'am, sun symbol
हाँ
moon. Sun symbol moon. Sun symbol and moon.
No, 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 no. देखो sun
No, ma'am, the
symbol.
answer is moon.
Vanshika, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Now go
ma'am.
slow. Okay, go slowly. Let others also understand. Sun symbol and moon. Then sun symbol and moon. Then sun symbol and then you will have moon. Okay, your answer is correct, but go slow.
Moon.
Hmm. And children, why do you all sit in such a noisy area? Even Saraj, when he unmutes himself, there is so much of noise. Vanshita, you have unmuted yourself. There is so much noise at your place. Please mute yourself. I don't know what you children understand. इतना शोर है, even I'm not able to teach. How do you people sit there? Only you must be known. Coming to the C1, Mohak. Mohak, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Read the C pattern. What is the C pattern saying? Tell us the direction of arrows. Left, right, up, down.
Left, right, up, down, left, right, up, down, and left. Ma'am, the answer is
Okay.
left.
Answer is the arrow will be in left shape. Now read the pattern. The pattern is saying left, right, up, down. Left, right, up, down. Then left. Then the arrow will be in left shape. See, patterns is nothing difficult. It is only that you have to understand the patterns. Pattern कैसे आगे बढ़ रहा है? You have to understand the pattern. You have to read the pattern, and then you will be able to solve any kind of question. Just read the patterns, understand the patterns, what they are saying, and you can do it. There's no problem then you will feel. You have to just read and understand the patterns, and then you will be able to do. Like, coming to page number 115. Observe the definition of patterns is given when an arrangement of shapes, numbers, or letters is repeated in a particular order. It can be recognized as a pattern. We have learned to recognize patterns and even guess what will come next for a pattern to continue. Observe the pattern and tick correct the one that should come next. Okay, let us observe the pattern then. Adiba, unmute yourself. Adiba. God. अदीबा,
Yes, ma'am.
पेज नंबर कौन सा पेज नंबर पे हैं आप?
Ma'am,
Which page number have you opened in your maths book?
And 116.
Very good. Can you see on that page ABC, the question, ABC question? Can you see that question?
Then 104. 104.
Page number 115. Open your page number 115. 115 page number open करो अदीबा.
मैम ओपन.
ठीक है, वहां पे आपको ये ABC वाला क्वेश्चन दिख रहा है. ABC जहाँ पे लिखा है. कैन यू सी दैट क्वेश्चन?
यस मैम.
तो देखो उस क्वेश्चन को अभी ध्यान से देखो. पहले क्या लिखा है पढ़ो. ABC, फिर क्या लिखा है पढ़ो. क्वेश्चन पढ़ो वो वाला. रीड दैट क्वेश्चन.
ABC.
फिर उसके बाद क्या लिखा है?
A और B.
देखो अब क्वेश्चन को ध्यान से पढ़ो. ABC. अब इसके बाद क्या आएगा? A आएगा कि B आएगा?
A.
वेरी गुड. तो टिक कर दो. पुट अ टिक मार्क ऑन ए. पुट अ टिक मार्क ऑन ए. ए के ऊपर टिक लगा दो. What we are doing is we are reading the patterns. हम पैटर्न पढ़ रहे हैं, क्वेश्चन को समझ रहे हैं. क्वेश्चन में क्या बार बार रिपीट हो रहा है? ABC, देन अगेन ABC, देन इसके बाद क्या आएगा? ABC फिर से आएगा ना. तो इट विल स्टार्ट विद A. नाउ कमिंग टू द सेकंड क्वेश्चन. रीड द सेकंड क्वेश्चन में क्या शेप बना हुआ है देखो. ट्रायंगल. हाँ वेरी गुड.
ट्रायंगल स्टार.
फिर उसके बाद
ट्रायंगल स्टार. ट्रायंगल
फिर
स्टार.
क्या आएगा?
ट्रायंगल.
उसके बाद क्या आएगा? ट्रायंगल. देखो क्वेश्चन में क्या बना है? ट्रायंगल स्टार. ट्रायंगल स्टार. ट्रायंगल स्टार. अब इस स्टार के बाद क्या आएगा? ट्रायंगल आएगा या फिर से स्टार आएगा? क्या आएगा?
मैम ट्रायंगल.
तो पुट अ टिक मार्क ऑन ट्रायंगल. Did you understood did you understood what you are doing? You are observing the patterns. आप patterns को समझ रहे हैं. किस pattern पे question बना हुआ है. Okay? We will do more questions and then you will understand. Now coming to the last one. Avantika, just unmute yourself.
Yes ma'am.
Okay. The last one, there are blocks of colors. Can you see? Blue.
Yes, ma'am.
Then there are different blocks. It is starting with blue color, then orange, then yellow, then purple, then green, then orange. So in this, just read all of you. Now listen to me. Your homework is you will just revise the patterns. You can do this question number 2, coloring one. And you have to do this last one also. Observe the pattern of colors and put a tick mark on the right one. I'm not giving you any heavy question, any heavy homework, because your homework will be just to revise the patterns. Questions we can practice in the class. It is no such rocket science. Avantika, just mute yourself. There's a lot of disturbance at your area. So there's no such rocket science. All the questions related to patterns, even the practice questions that I will be giving, we can do it in the class, in the online class only. There's no need for homework. What you will do in your homework is you are going to read the story, a lesson learned by the father. I've shared the images. All of you have got the images. Read the story and mark the nouns. You have to mark the nouns in that story, right?
Yes ma'am.
All of you will mark the nouns. Your homework for today is you will read the story, a lesson learned by a father from his son, and you are going to mark the nouns.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we will write the chapter in copy.
No. Yesterday, why have you not attended the communication class? मैंने बोला भी था communication class is important, but none of you bothered to attend the class. Those who were there in the class, so you must be knowing then. तो आपको सब कुछ पता है. अगर if you have attended the classes, then you must be knowing. Because in the communication class, I explain each and everything, and I told you that I will not explain again and again. मैंने हिंदी इंग्लिश सब में बताया था कि कैसे करना है, क्या करना है, फाइल बनानी है, क्या करना है, सब बताया था. That means you are not paying attention in the class, and I am not going to repeat. Call your friends, search it yourself. खुद भी करो. इसका तब जब आप तब तक नहीं समझोगे जब तक खुद नहीं करोगे. ये तो पता है मैम से पूछेंगे, मैम 10 बार पूछेंगे, 10 बार बता देंगी। आपकी मैम नहीं बताएंगी, आपकी आप खुद पता करेंगे। जब आप खुद पता करेंगे तब आप क्लास में अटेंशन भी पे करना स्टार्ट करेंगे। आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू रिपीट, आई हैव टोल्ड एवरीवन yesterday. Those who have not attended the class, they will call their friends and ask कि कैसे करना है. And those who have attended the class, they are very much clear because I've explained them in English, Hindi, everything. You think that teachers are fool that they are wasting their time? Class attend करें ना करें, मैम को तो फोन कर करके पूछ ही लेंगे, कोई फोन नहीं करेगा मुझे. Even if your parents will call, I will tell them your ward should have attended the class. Since you have not attended the class, call your friends, take pain. You will take pain yourself, then only you will understand. Otherwise, you will not understand. Yesterday in the class only I told, please attend the communication class. And there were very few of you who attended the classes. You think you people are smart, I am smarter than you all. Don't attend the classes and then you all very well know if you will not do the project carefully, the marks is given there, I will give you 0. तो उसके बाद में भी कुछ नहीं हो सकता. Don't take these projects lightly, you have to do the project. अब कैसे करना है, find out yourself. कॉल करो फ्रेंड्स को, पता करो, थोड़ी पेन लो, तो नेक्स्ट टाइम से समझ में आ जाएगा कि अगर मैम ने बोला है कम्युनिकेशन क्लास अटेंड करने के लिए तो चलो कर लेते हैं. एंड आई एम टेलिंग इन एडवांस, टुमारोज कम्युनिकेशन क्लास प्लीज अटेंड because I am going to explain the science project. If you will not attend, it is your loss. And even if you are attending and not listening to the teacher, it is your loss. Yesterday I have explained very clearly कि English project कैसे और कहाँ करना है. Now he is asking me, will we do it in the notebook? Okay, you do in the notebook only. I'll give you big 0. Your homework is you will read that story and mark the nouns and you will just revise the patterns. Okay? We'll meet at 3 o'clock for the English class. Bye for now. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.